Hello friends, welcome back to this brand identity design course. In this video, we are going to discuss on how to create your own GIF in Photoshop. But before that, please like this video, share and subscribe to this channel. This will help me to create more videos like this. Creating a GIF for brand identity design can add a dynamic touch of, showcasing your logo, your color, typography and other brand elements, especially when you are presenting your design to clients and stakeholders, or maybe when you are marketing your skills on social media platforms. There are many ways to create your GIF for brand identity design, but this video is more about using Photoshop. Later in our course, we will discuss motion design and how to incorporate it into your brand identity design. Now, the first thing you need to do is to plan your animation sequence. Decide what you want to showcase in your brand identity GIF. Some ideas include using logo reveal by animating your logo as it appears or fades in. The second one is using color palette. This is the sequential display of each color in the brand palette. The third one is using typography by showing the main fonts in various weight size and in style. You can also use design elements by cycling through different icons or patterns, especially with your brand design. Now let's create our GIF. Set up your workspace by opening Photoshop and go to Window. Go to Timeline to bring up the timeline panel at the bottom of the screen. This panel will let you create the frame of your GIF. Choose Create Frame Animation in the timeline panel. Then create or import each frame of your GIF as a separate layer. For instance, if you are creating a bouncing ball, each layer will represent a different position of the ball. To achieve this fast, especially if you are using many layers, all you need to do is go to File, click Script, then click Load Files into Stack. This box will appear where you can import all your images in different layers. Now make sure to rearrange your layers in the Layers panel to appear in the sequence you want them to play. In the Timeline menu, select Make Frames from Layers. Each layer will be converted into frame, but most of the times only one frame will appear. Click the menu icon on the right side of the timeline. Click Make Frame from Layers to convert other layers into a frame. You should now see each layer as a separate frame in the timeline. You can now reorder the frames again in the timeline if necessary, so that they appear in the current sequence. You will see the play icon and other command in the below panel. If I click play, you will see the animation is too fast. Now under each frame in the time panel, you will see a time drop down, usually set to 0 seconds by default. Click it to change the duration of each frame. Then set the desired duration for each frame, like 0.1 or 0.2 seconds, depending on how fast you want your GIF to play. For this video, I will set the duration to 0.5 seconds. Now let's play our animation again. You will see that our animation played well, but it stopped. The purpose of GIF is to make a continuous animation. Now under the timeline, find the drop down that usually reads once. Click it and select forever if you want your GIF to loop continuously. Now let us play it again. Perfect. Let us save our GIF for future usage. Go to File, then Export, then Save for Web Legacy. In the Save for Web dialog, choose GIF as the format. Adjust settings like color and resolution if needed. Make sure looping options are set forever. Then click Save and name your GIF and choose the destination you want to save it to. That is it. You now have a GIF ready for use. If you find this video valuable, please like the video and share. Then subscribe to this channel. This will help me create more videos like this. See you in the next video.